Ethical hacking in a nutshell. Ethical hacking, sometimes called white hat hacking or penetration testing, is the authorized probing of computer systems, networks, and applications to uncover security weaknesses before malicious actors do. Unlike illicit hackers, ethical hackers operate under explicit permission from system owners and adhere to strict legal and professional guidelines. They simulate real-world attack scenarios using the same techniques as black hat hackers, but their ultimate goal is to strengthen defenses rather than exploit vulnerabilities. Ethical hacking has become a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity strategies as threats grow in sophistication. Ethical hacking delivers proactive risk management by revealing hidden attack vectors and validating security controls. Organizations enlist certified ethical hackers to assess everything from web applications and wireless networks to IoT devices and industrial control systems. By identifying flaws early, businesses avoid costly data breaches, downtime, and regulatory fines. Moreover, penetration testing exercises help teams prioritize remediation efforts and improve incident response plans based on realistic attack scenarios. Key phases of an ethical hack: reconnaissance. Gather public and private data on targets through social media, DNS records, and network scans. Scanning and enumeration. Map live hosts, open ports, and services. Enumerate user accounts and shared resources. Exploitation. Launch controlled attacks, such as SQL injection or buffer overflow, to verify if vulnerabilities can be abused. Post-exploitation. Assess the depth of access, pivot across systems, and extract proof of concept data. Reporting and remediation. Document findings with risk ratings, detailed exploit steps, and actionable recommendations. Essential tools: Nmap for network mapping and port scanning, Burp Suite for web application testing and proxy-based analysis, Metasploit framework for automated exploit development and payload delivery, Wireshark for traffic capture and protocol analysis, OWASP Zap for uncovering common web vulnerabilities like XSS and CSRF.